If you want to create the beautiful yet advanced meeting booking page like this I have created here, where the calendar I have the video in bed, I have the about my company section, the testimonials about me, and not only that, I can also change the layout here with the themes. Like I can make it the bold black here. Okay, I can make it something like this playful here. So with the single click I can do that. And not only that, we have also the more things or the more widgets I can add on my scheduling booking page here. Like I want to add the videos, I want to add the gallery of the images, I want to add the Instagram or the WhatsApp widget, then I can easily do that here. So with the lunacal.ai you can create these kind of the beautiful looking meeting booking pages for your brand services and for your freelancing work here. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show out all the feature in this platform available here, plus it has also the calendars connectivity for all of the major popular platforms like the Google, we have the Apple and the Outlook we have. Then we have the team features available like the collective scheduling and the round robin. If you don't know what these two are, with the collective scheduling we have the different meeting booking pages, but we can just check them out in the one centralized calendar booking page. Then we have the round robin, we can assign our team members to get the even number of the booking distributed automatically here. Okay, and this is all the features you are going to see that you can use using the lunacal.ai here. So let me first talk about its lifetime deal. Starting from the $59 you can access all of the features, but we have the few limit as well. Like we don't able to add these social media links or the WhatsApp widget in our booking page. We don't have the team features and the custom domain. But if you want all these features with the extra users limit, you have to go with the at least tier 2 plan. That is why I suggest go with the at least tier 2. This will offer you all the features, plus you will get some extra users limit here. And there's also a 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you're not happy, just return it and your 100% money will be the backed here. So if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal, the link will be in the description. And once you got, this is how your dashboard will look like here. Okay, so first let me go to the dashboard here, and from the start show you how you can create your booking page. Okay, we have to first click here on the create a new event. Okay, and after that you have to add the or make it the name. Like I want to make it 30 minutes booking. Okay, then after that you can select the timing or add your manual time. So I will add the 30 minutes. Click here on the continue, and now we are on the editing page or the features enabling page. Here we can enable like event setup with the time and the description. Availability you can choose, the booking limits, questions you can add, we have the integrations, we have the workflow. It can automatically send the meeting reminders before few minutes actually starting the meeting. So that is also a good feature you are getting here. The advanced section is going to give you some of the advanced configuration like add to calendar. We have the different calendars available that we can connect and use. Okay, then we have the website embed. Okay, once your meeting page is linked, you can just get this embed code and paste anywhere your site, and this booking page will start appearing on your page. Okay, so that is how the things done. Okay, so till now we have done everything. Now we have to simply go to the our event types and select that meeting that we have just created. So simply click here on this icon and click here on the edit booking page, and now we can visually edit our page. Okay, like in my page I want to add this video widget. So simply click here on the widget, click here on the video, and now this video widget will be the edit here. So that is how simply things work. Suppose you want to change the theme, so simply click here on the theme. Let's go with this with professional, and now with a single click your theme will be the changed here. You want to change the colors. Right now it's the blue, so I want to make it like the purple, so I will select the purple, and now you can see this purple prime color will be the added here. Here I can add my logo of the brand. Okay, so simply click here and you can add your logo. So beautiful, super simple to use this platform here. And once everything is done, simply click here on the publish, and now your booking page is published. Simply click get the link, and you can copy the link, paste any tab, and see in the real time how your booking page will look like with all the stuff you have done here. And now you can see I have a calendar, I have the timetable, I have the video in my page, I have the about company, what we do, and the FAQ. So this about company, what we do, and the FAQ, and you can see here about me is automatically generated after I have just add my website URL. It fetched the URL, it got the information, AI just wrote all this information here. So within I think 3 to 5 minutes my booking page is ready to share and accept the meetings with my clients or the my service seekers here. Okay, so this is how fast lunacal.ai can help you out. And not only that, it has also some features available that I want to talk about, that is the integration. So in the integrations you can see we have almost the all popular platforms available, like we have the Google Calendar, FaceTime, we have the CRM, we have the WhatsApp widget we can add, we have the Zapier, Zoom video we can connect here for accepting the meetings here. Okay, then we have the automation available with this Zapier. So basically these integrations you can use to make your meeting booking and the data processing or the automation super useful and the fast here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. Definitely you should check out the lunacal.ai, one of the great tool on the AppSumo right now available. And there's also the one more tool I want to talk about in this video, that I have recently created a overview on that tool. So with this tool you can create the web apps, you can create the landing pages, you can create the websites, so many things you can do with this single AI builder here. So make sure you watch this video and this will give you the all information. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated. Don't forget to check out this video here, and if you have any question just let me know in the comments. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.